Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. We are staying outside a house flip we just bought this one today from the MLS. So we got a really good deal on this one, even though I think there were 13 or 14 offers on it. We got it for much less than the highest offer, which I'll talk about how we were able to do that. And this one doesn't have super high margins on it, but it should be a really easy flip. And sometimes it's best to trade high profit margins for easy and quick deals. We found out the hard way, the high profit margins that need tons of work don't always end up being the best house flip. So we'll talk about all the numbers, what we bought it for, all of that good stuff, and we'll show you a tour of the house here as well. Of course, check out investformore.com for much more information on my flips, being an agent, rental properties, and I have 9 books on Amazon as well. And we love seeing new subscribers and people who like our videos. We have tons of content on our flips. We've got 10 flips going right now. My 5.0 is out. I finally got it out of storage, so that's been a fun car to drive around the last couple days with the supercharger on it. And then we have lots of videos on our residential and commercial properties we've purchased, so be sure to check all that out too. All right, so this house, like I said, we bought from the MLS, the multiple listing service where most real estate agents list their properties. It was listed for $205,000. I think we offered like 207.1 or something like that, and wasn't really expecting to get it because that is such a low price for this area. And the agent actually came back, called us and said, hey, we have 14 offers. Our highest offer is 237, but we like the fact that you are doing cash, no inspection, and can close in 2 weeks. Will you come up to 215,000? And so it was a little tight, but I decided, yes, we'll go ahead. We'll do 215, got the deal done, closed it, and bought it today. So you can see the kitchen is not bad. It's a little dirty, but I think we can clean those cabinets up. Even if we have to paint them white, they're salvageable. The appliances aren't even that bad. The counters aren't that bad, although it'd be pretty easy to replace those. We might not have to. Paint is obviously needed, but really it's a paint, maybe a little bit of bathroom work, possibly a roof, and flooring flip, which is really easy. But I'm thinking we can probably get away with spending $20,000 to $25,000 on this. You know, we might even be able to paint that tub and keep it. I don't know, we'll have to see. The tile is okay, but not amazing. You know, we can replace that easy enough, the vanity easy enough, the toilet, those are all easy to do. So we're thinking spending $20,000 to $25,000, and then probably another $20,000 to $25,000 in carrying costs, financing costs, and selling costs. And it's worth probably in the range of $285,000 to $290,000. So not a huge margin there, but I also made a commission when I bought it because I'm an agent. So I made another $6,500 when we purchased it, which makes it more like $209,000 that we actually paid for the property. And you can see it's really not in bad shape at all. Has newer windows. The hardwood is in really good shape except for that one spot in the living room. And that's why I decided to buy this property when normally we're looking to have at least, you know, $100,000 in room on a property. But if they're easy like this, boy, it's pretty appealing to do the easy flips. Has a newer garage door. Oh, and one thing too I was going to talk about as well is it might be worth more than I'm thinking. I'm trying to be conservative, but right down there, I don't know if you can see it. We'll zoom in a little bit. That's a pool. So it has a neighborhood pool right across the street. And we'll show you the backyard here too, because that is a major bonus as well for this house. So first off, it has this huge covered patio and all this concrete. That is a nice feature to have, especially on a day like today when I think it's supposed to be or is close to 98 degrees here in Colorado. The yard did look better when I first had it under contract, but we might be able to get some water on this and get it back. But The other major bonus is it backs up to a park. So it has a swimming pool across the street and backs up to a park right behind it. Very private yard. And I actually used to play basketball in high school over there on that court. This was a real good area for pickup games. So, really cool area. Neat yard, especially if the grass was green. And brick house. The roof is older. I mean, it doesn't look like it's in horrible shape, but I could easily see that needing to be replaced. If it's that old, it most likely has hail damage because we have a lot of hail come through Colorado. So we've got 2 bedrooms, 1 bath upstairs, and it has a basement as well. So we'll go down there. So again, it needs some work down here, but nothing crazy. Flooring, some trim, you know, we'll see what it takes to maybe cover up those vents, maybe not. I would like to get another bedroom down here if possible. You can see the utility room. Again, that furnace, you know, you never rely on a furnace being in great shape, but it is not very old. That is 2002. That will need to be replaced. Washer and dryer, kind of a bonus if they work. If not, then it's not really a bonus. But it has this weird room right here, and the drain is over there, which is weird as well. But we might be able to take this little wall out. That's obviously not structural. Make the family room bigger. Maybe put a bedroom in that corner over here. Maybe not. But as you can see right now, it's just a 3-bedroom because you've got the 2 bedrooms up and the 1 bedroom down here. But it has so many windows. That's another nice feature. It does not have an egress window. This would be grandfathered in for egress windows. But if we put a new bedroom in, then we would need to do an egress window for it. And then here's another 3/4 bath. Again, some stuff is outdated, but it's not in really bad shape. And this shower even is in really good shape. You know, don't have to do anything there. So there's not a whole lot of work that we have to do on this one, which is fantastic. Should be able to sell it very quickly after getting all of this done, because this is in an area where houses just sell very fast. The median price, we're in Greeley, Colorado, here is around $330 right now. So selling this at anything under $300 that's decent is selling very, very fast. So we could get this cleaned up, get on the market, get it sold fairly quickly. One reason why they were willing to sell it is they just wanted to move fast. So people ask me all the time, how do you get good deals on houses? People just don't want to sell houses below market value. That's just not realistic. Well, we did 23 flips last year. We did 26 flips in 2018. We did 26 flips in 2017. And those are all houses that are bought way below market value. And sellers just want to sell sometimes because they need to sell quick. They don't want to worry about inspection items. They don't want to clean up the house. They don't want showings. Sometimes those items are more important to them than making the most money. So there are always deals out there. There's always deals in every single market. You know, we're still in one of the hottest markets in the country. Prices have pretty much tripled in the last 8 years or so, and we still find deals. So there are deals out there. There's ways to find them. It's just, it takes some work, it takes some time and some perseverance. So just about everybody I ask who says, oh, I can't get a deal in my area, they end up admitting, well, there are people getting deals in my area, it's just not me. So you just have to make sure you're that person getting those deals. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, we appreciate the like, any comments you have. We'll have more updates on this house as we get to work on it. It shouldn't be too many updates because it should be so easy. And then of course, check out investformore.com. As I said, we have hundreds of articles on there. We've got 9 different books on Amazon on a number of different subjects, so check those out too. And we will be back with more videos soon.